Looking for the best gaming CPU for your money? Today we're ranking 5 top processors based on pure FPS per dollar, and the results might surprise you. At the bottom of our ranking is Intel's powerhouse, the 14900K. Yep, the most expensive chip here actually comes in last when it comes to value for gamers. It's incredibly fast, no doubt, but all that horsepower doesn't always translate to better frame rates for the price you're paying. The 14900K packs insane specs, 24 cores, 32 threads, and a boost clock that hits a blistering 6 GHz. It crushes in multi-threaded tasks and high-end workloads, and it's great for streamers or heavy multitaskers. You also get support for DDR5 and PCIe 5, so the platform is future-ready. But here's the problem. It's pricey, power-hungry, and honestly overkill for most gamers. The jump in gaming performance just doesn't match the jump in cost, and you'll need a beast of a cooler to keep it running comfortably. If you're building a workstation that also plays games, this chip might make sense, but for most gamers, there are much smarter ways to spend your cash. And by the way, all the CPUs from today's review are linked down below at the best current prices. Next up is the 12900KF. This one hits a sweet spot between performance and cost, and even though it's a step down from the 14900K, it's actually a smarter choice for most gamers. With 16 cores and a 5.2 GHz boost, the 12900KF delivers strong frame rates in modern titles and plenty of muscle for tasks like streaming and light editing. It supports both DDR4 and DDR5, giving you more flexibility depending on your build budget. Now, it does still sip a lot of power, and it doesn't come with integrated graphics, which could be a problem if your GPU ever fails. But it's more reasonably priced than the 14900K and performs surprisingly close in games. If you want high-end gaming performance without the top shelf price, this one's a solid pick. Like this video so far? Make sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more smart tech comparisons. In the middle of the pack, we've got the Ryzen 5900X. This older AMD chip still holds up really well, especially if you already have an AM4 motherboard and want to upgrade without switching platforms. It features 12 cores, great multi-core performance, and a large 64MB L3 cache. For gaming, it performs well in most titles and is more than capable for content creation and multitasking. Plus, its thermal and power demands are more manageable than the high-end Intel chips. That said, it's showing its age. It doesn't support newer tech like DDR5 or PCIe 5, and some newer chips edge it out in frame rates for a lower price. If you're on AM4 and want a no-fuss CPU that still delivers great gaming and productivity performance, this is one to consider. But if you're building from scratch, you may want to look at newer options. Just missing the top spot is the 9700X, AMD's Zen 5 chip that strikes a great balance between gaming power, energy efficiency, and platform features. It has 8 cores, a fast 5.5 GHz boost clock, and support for DDR5 and PCIe 5. The best part? It sips just 65 watts, meaning less heat, quieter cooling, and lower power bills over time. It even comes with integrated graphics, so you've got backup if your GPU has issues. The only real drawback? It doesn't have AMD's 3D cache, so in games that are CPU bound, it can fall a little short of the next chip on our list. Also, if you're doing heavy productivity tasks, its 8-core limit could be a bottleneck. Still, this is a great all-around CPU for gamers who want a future-proof build and don't need ultra-core performance. It's fast, efficient, and easy to live with. And finally, at the top of the list is the 7800X 3D. This thing is a gaming monster, and right now it's arguably the best FPS per dollar chip you can buy. Thanks to AMD's 3D V-Cache technology and Zen 4 architecture, the 7800X 3D delivers top-tier performance in CPU-limited games like no other chip here. Even though it only has 8 cores and a 5.0 GHz boost, that massive 96MB of L3 cache gives it a huge advantage in frame rates. Sure, it's not the best for heavy multi-threaded tasks, and it doesn't include integrated graphics, but for gaming, it wins hands down. It's cool, quiet, and efficient, with performance that rivals far more expensive processors. If your priority is smooth, high frame rate gaming and you want every dollar to count, this is the CPU to get, no question. If you want to check out the best CPUs from today's list, you'll find all the links with current prices down in the description. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more smart tech reviews like this one.